I recorded this video on Monday, but now it's Thursday. What's up with that? What? So, I'm on holiday right now, and hopefully Alex remembered to upload this video on Thursday, not any other day, because otherwise it would be weird. But yeah, so I went on holiday on Tuesday, recorded this video on Monday, sent it to Alex, and he's going to upload it for me. So if you're watching it, he probably did. Alright, last week I totally forgot to answer Ryan's question, which I'm sorry about that, Ryan, because, you know, I do love you and everything. So, your question was, how did I get into YouTube? And I'll tell you how I got into YouTube and how I found out about it, which is that my friend Mark, who has a YouTube account, he's got no videos, so there's no point in me even putting the name in the sidebar, but, you know, it was him. He said, hey, I just found out, and this is in real life, not in an email, he said, hey, I just found out about this great new place. It's called YouTube. You can, like, watch all of these videos for free and crap. And I was like, what? What's going on there? Outrage! And so then I went onto YouTube, watched a few videos, exactly like Ryan, the first video I watched was Smosh Pokemon video, so that's pretty amazing. And ow, just hurt my foot. Ooh, the pain's excruciating. Yeah, so I did that and I got kind of into YouTube and I liked it, and then, wow, I started my own chat show called Live from Joe's. You can check it out in the sidebar. No, I realised I've been pointing the wrong way the entire day. Okay, there, in the sidebar. Oh, damn it, all of my videos are going to make me look like a moron now. Oh well. So, yeah, so I started my own chat show and then it just kind of went from there. And now, look at me, I've got 200 subscribers and I'm an amazing vlogging man. Now, I can't do Millie's little street thing today because I'm going on holiday soon and I don't really have time to do that kind of stuff. So I'm very sorry, and you can feel free to punish me if you want to, but I mean, I'm not going to be here, so it's not really going to affect me. You guys will probably ask other questions. Ryan, Millie, and Chris will probably ask other questions now, but I can't answer them because, you know, we've talked about this already. But I can ask some questions of my own. I want to know, what music in a video game is your favourite piece of music? Like, you know, do you like the boom, Mario theme, or do you like something else? So I'm going to share with you my favourites. So I figured I could have just played them to you, but instead I'm going to dance to them. That's going to be fun. Alright, my first piece of music is Gerudo Valley from Ocarina of Time on the Nintendo 64. It's probably my favourite piece of music ever, but there's one that's a close second. Alright, here it goes. That piece of music is so amazing, I could just dance to it for hours, honestly. Oh, I'm puffed from all that outrageous dancing. I'm going to bring down the tone now with a more mellow piece from Donkey Kong Country 2. This is called Bramble Scramble. I've only played like a quarter of the song because it's really long, but that is probably my second favourite piece of video game music ever. So I hope you enjoyed my outrageous dancing. I've got links, almost did it again, links here and here around about, on the sidebar for those two songs, if you want to hear them. And I want to hear from the other 5 Awesome Gamers, what is your favourite piece of video game music? But I also want to hear from the fans, I should say, like the fan, because we only have one person watching, down here, and tell us what your favourite piece of video game music from, what game it's from, that kind of thing. Those pieces of music are particularly important for me because they're music from my childhood, so I can really identify with them. Oh god. When you're watching this, I will be playing Grand Theft Auto 4 because it comes out tomorrow, but of course, I mean, it'll already be out by the time you're watching it, but I'm filming this on Monday, so it comes out tomorrow. And oh my god, it's going to be amazing. Look at my desktop, alright? This here is the desktop I've got for my computer right now. That's Nico, looking particularly terrifying. He's just going to murder a hoe or something outrageous. Description, MacBook. That's kind of funny. I'm hilarious. Okay. Let's look at my Xbox. Xbox 360. Alright, so I really can't wait to get back off holiday. I mean, back from holiday. So I can watch all of your 5 Awesome Gamers videos that I've missed. And I'll see you next week. And I'll see you tomorrow, Alex. Bye!